Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore daily life in simple, natural English.
That's right. Today, we're talking about something fun and delicious. Cooking dinner together.
Cooking at home is a great way to relax, save money, and eat healthy.
And it's a great way to practice English, too.
Exactly. So, put on your apron and let's start cooking. First, we need to prepare everything before we start cooking.
Preparation makes cooking so much easier. What are we cooking tonight?
How about pasta with vegetables and chicken?
Perfect. Simple, colorful, and healthy. Let's start by checking what we already have in the fridge.
Good idea. We have some tomatoes, onions, and broccoli.
Great. I'll take out the chicken breast and some cheese.
Don't forget the olive oil and pasta. Okay, step 1. Wash the vegetables.
Always wash them carefully before cutting.
You can say, I'm washing the vegetables.
Or, let's rinse them under the tap.
When the vegetables are clean, place them on a cutting board.
I'll cut the chicken, and you can chop the onions and tomatoes.
Deal! Be careful with the knife.
You can say, I'm cutting the chicken into small pieces.
And I can say, I'm chopping the onions finely.
My eyes always water when I cut onions.
Mine too. A good tip is to chill them first. It helps a bit. When everything's ready, we can start cooking.
I'll heat some olive oil in the pan.
Good idea. Don't forget to stir the chicken until it turns golden.
You can say, I'm frying the chicken.
And remember, always cook chicken until it's not pink inside.
Now, let's add the onions and garlic.
It smells amazing already.
You can say, the kitchen smells delicious.
Then add the tomatoes and broccoli.
I'll stir everything together.
You can say, let's mix everything together. While the chicken and vegetables cook, let's boil the pasta.
Right. Add a little salt to the water. It gives flavor.
And don't forget to stir it so it doesn't stick together.
You can say, I'm boiling the pasta.
When the pasta is soft, we'll drain it and mix it with the sauce.
The sauce looks great. Let's taste it.
Maybe a bit more salt and pepper.
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure. You can say, can you pass me the salt?
You're right. It tastes better now.
Don't forget the cheese. A little on top makes everything perfect.
Good idea. You can say, let's sprinkle some cheese.
When everything is done, we can say, dinner is ready.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Before we eat, let's set the table.
I'll bring the plates and glasses.
And I'll bring the forks, knives, and napkins.
You can say, I'm setting the table.
Let's also light a candle. It makes dinner feel special.
Good idea. It looks like a small restaurant now.
Finally, time to enjoy our meal.
This is really good.
I'm glad you like it. Cooking together makes dinner more fun.
You can say, enjoy your meal.
You can also say, this tastes great, or it's delicious.
What's your favorite part of cooking, Lily?
I love the smell of food while it's cooking. It feels cozy.
I like trying new recipes. Every meal can be a little adventure.
That's true. And we can learn new English words every time we cook. I'm having dinner.
And I'm enjoying this dinner.
After dinner, it's cleaning time.
I'll wash the dishes, and you can dry them.
Great teamwork.
You can say, I'm washing the dishes.
And I can say, I'm drying the plates.
I always forget to clean the counter.
That's okay. You can say, I'm wiping the counter.
We make a good team in the kitchen.
Definitely. Cooking together is fun and relaxing.
Do you cook at home every day, Lily?
Not every day, but I try to cook at least 4 times a week.
That's great. I often order food when I'm busy.
It's okay to order sometimes, but home-cooked food always feels special. Before we finish, let's practice today's useful sentences. Repeat after us. I'm washing the vegetables.
I'm washing the vegetables.
I'm cutting the chicken into pieces.
I'm cutting the chicken into pieces.
I'm frying the chicken.
I'm frying the chicken.
Let's mix everything together.
Let's mix everything together.
I'm boiling the pasta.
I'm boiling the pasta.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
I'm setting the table.
I'm setting the table.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm washing the dishes.
Cooking together is fun.
Cooking together is fun.
It smells amazing.
It smells amazing.
Don't forget the olive oil.
Don't forget the olive oil.
Can you pass me the salt?
Can you pass me the salt?
This tastes great.
This tastes great.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Let's clean up the kitchen.
Let's clean up the kitchen.
I'm drying the plates.
I'm drying the plates.
I'm wiping the counter.
I'm wiping the counter.
We make a good team.
We make a good team.
Today, we learned how to talk about cooking dinner in English, from preparing and washing to cooking, eating, and cleaning up.
And we practiced many everyday phrases you can use in your own kitchen.
Remember, small sentences can help you sound natural and confident.
Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.
Thank you for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
This was A Day with Lily.
See you next time.